Hi guys, my name is Luckycharms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my entire bag collection part 2, because it's expanded since then. So if you guys want to see my entire bag collection part 2, keep on watching. And also there will probably be like a little thing for part 1. So the first little bags that we're going to start off with, I guess, are like the Hello Kitty bags. So I have one right here that I didn't show last time, right?
No, dumb.
I haven't showed this, I don't think, which is like a sparkly little sequin Hello Kitty. Anyways, this is my Jungle Rock bag that I used to house stuff. This is a little bag I used to house Rick and Morty stickers. This is my Alice in Wonderland wallet. So it has like a little bottle with the little drink me sign. This is my orange bag. I keep my orange look stuff in it, so the earrings and the nails, as well as like I do that for my lemon one. So okay, this is my little grapefruit that I hold all my embroidery patches in, so it's full. This is my cow purse that goes with my cow bag. Okay, this is my cow bag that goes with my cow look. This is my little Kurumi bag. It's pretty big. It's like covers my head. And this is a bag I got to go with my black leather jacket. And inside it has a little Hello Kitty bag, wallet bag that I got for like $2. Oh yeah, it's a little wallet. Oh my gosh, sickening. I'm gonna use this as my wallet. Sickening. So that's that. And this is like a fake little non-working bag that I made for my Barbie look, so it just like opens up and closes, and it's just to walk into the room first. Ow.
First.
This is my Louis Vuitton, because there's a W and I keep earrings in it. I don't take this out because it's chuk.
Clearly the struggle is real. Katya!
This is something that my boyfriend got me to house earrings, and I put like a little Trixie Mattel
I don't know what the fuck she's saying, but girl, I am living.
sticker on it, and it's like my favorite little jewelry box thing because I can like travel with it real easy, and it's pretty small, so I love it. This is my varsity bag for my cheerleader look. That's from Dollskill. It's from Dollskill secondhand. We don't support racism, Dollskill. So this is my little bee bag for my bee look. This is my little ladybug bag for my ladybug look. This is my little ice cream cone. I don't know, I bought it with like, it's kind of like my drag bag. It kind of goes with every look because I'm cute. So I have that. Deserves a treat. This is my lemon bag to go with my lemon look, so I keep like my nails and my earrings in here. This is my candy bag because I'm gonna do like a candy or clown look or something probably. This is my little soccer ball bag, super cute for like my little kind of Jersey referee look. This is my little Minnie Mouse bag for when I'm feeling cute.
And she is the moment.
And this is my fuzzy red heart bag for around Valentine's Day. I wear it. Super cute, super fluffy, and oh, I love how it feels.
It's so fluffy!
I'm gonna bring this bag out more often because I love it. This is like a colorable. Is it colorable? But someone already colored it, so we got a sweet deal on it. This is the Monster High bag. Luckily, they weren't like disgusting with it. Like when you go to a library and you see like what kids have done, and it's like of crayon, but that's not this. Luckily.
Lucky.
So yeah, that was my entire bag collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.